Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Pavoni Espresso machine. And let's go ahead and pour a shot. Nice shot of espresso. Check the steam. Nice strong steam. So you can see I just had this gauge on the top. I was checking to see how accurate the gauge is on the machine. It's about half a bar off the gauge on the machine is. But yeah, it's sitting right at 1 bar where it should be. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.